So hello everyone, welcome to my channel that is Come to Invest. I hope so you all are great and fine. And since 2 days I have not making the video due to some personal reason. I am working an important work, so therefore I can't make continue videos this week. So this is the brief I want to give that yesterday also we see market and how this is a Nifty chart, daily chart, and yesterday we see 10,300 target on the upper side, and we see a selling from that level. So in the coming days, what is the scenario that we can fall more or we can sustain to this level, that is 9,900, or I can say 10,000. So there are higher chances that we can sustain to this level, that is 99, 80, 90, 800. I can guess. I tell you 9,800, 9,920, and 10,000. So these are the most important levels, and if the either side breaks and we sustains below with the red bullish candle, so therefore we see a selling more. So there are less probability of that we can see selling in this week, more selling. So this is, I can see clearly in the chart that the market is the taking support of 10,000. And in the Dow chart, if I tell you the Dow chart, that the market of US markets same way standing on this resistance and taking a support around approximately 5 days, and then we see a huge rally upside. So this way we can see in a market, also in Indian market, that is Nifty, as we are standing approximately 4 to 5 days here, and the 200 EMA come closely to this level. So there are higher chances that we can take a breakout of this level in the coming days. And if we sustain and takes a support of 10,000, we can see a level of 10,700, 10,500 in the coming week. So after that, we can sustain above this 200 EMA, and we can go to 11,200 in the coming days or the coming weeks. 1100,000 can be achieved, but first of all we need to work on the short term, that is this week, and we can see 10,500, 10,600 on the upper side, that is 200 EMA. And right now we are standing, as I said, 5 days, and approximately 1 2 days we can stand more on this support. And if we stand more, so there are higher probability that we can break it. And if we not break it, and if we move a range of 10,300 and 10,000 range, this is a 300 point range, and if either side breaks, and there are higher 90% probability that our market can go upside momentum in the coming days. So we need to wait for this range to break out, that is 10,300 and 10,000. And if we see upper side breakout, my opinion is that you need to work upon the upper side, that is bullish momentum, not the bearish one. If you buy on dips, and you will get a great momentum in the coming weeks, or we can see a rally on for upper side in the coming days also. So we can see 10,500 as well on the upper side. So this is for the Nifty scenario. And if I move to the Bank Nifty, this is the Bank Nifty chart, and approximately last week, and also I share every levels on my Telegram. And if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe to my video. Please like my efforts to make a new video for you, to help you analyze and earn money from the stock market. And this is the level, that is 21,350, is tested multiple times like this, and approximately every time. So there are higher chances that this way we can see bank making a breakout of this channel, that is 21,300, and we can see 23,000 on the upper side in the coming days. So bank can move to the 24,000, and it is taking the support on downside. 20,200 is the support on the downside, and 24,000 for the upper side. So this is for the Bank Nifty. And if I move to the stocks, tell you some stocks. So first is Reliance, and as I said, the Reliance, those who said if I move to the 1 hour chart, so I'm zooming out. So those who said that this is a hand and shoulder pattern are trapped here. I tell you that Reliance can go to 1600, and one more company, Abu Dhabi company, invested in the Reliance and 1600 taking as a resistance, and we can come again to this level and we can see 1500 level, or we can sustain to 15,000, 15,200, 1525 level on this side, and we can move to 1600 as well in the coming days. So you can see the Reliance chart. In the coming days we can see upside momentum in the Reliance. So next stock is Sun Pharma. So not Sun Pharma, next stock is Landmark. So right now, as I said, this is a channel that makes, and if we can see 439 target of the upper side. So from here, if it reverse, we can see for 386 or 390 target in the downside. And if we break a range of 410, we can achieve 438 target in the Landmark. So these two stocks, and one is TVS Motors. So TVS Motor is currently standing at this point, and we can soon see a breakout of this channel, that is this point here. We can see a breakout on the upper side if it sustains on this level, that is 350 or 340 level, and if we not sustain we can come up to 300 again, and if we sustain this level we can see 369 target on the upper side. So one more stuff I want to discuss with you, that is Cummins India. So Cummins India is taking a resistance at 409, and if we see a breakout of this, and we can move up to 409 or 508, and if as today there is a bullish candle, bullish bearish candle we see, we can come to 370, and then we can move above to first target is 470, and next is 460 and 500 target we can see. So this is for all for this week video, and I have shared also stocks, and if you not follow Telegram channel you can follow, and if you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get new update, new notifications, new video notification. So don't go outside, be safe and stay at home. Okay, I will meet you in my next video.